Look 10 years younger instantly. Classic 70s feathered shag. Perfect for framing oval faces, this cut adds youthful bounce and lifts features with soft, feathered retro layers. Modern wolf cut shag. Ideal for thick hair, delivering instant volume at the crown and an edgy, slimming effect around the jawline. Curly shag with bottleneck bangs. Breathes life into natural curls, softening mature lines and providing a vibrant, youthful halo around the face. Textured razored French shag bob. Great for fine strands, this French-inspired bob gives airy fullness while accentuating high cheekbones. Wispy layered long shag. Preserves length while removing heaviness, giving long hair effortless movement and a breezy, carefree vibe. Shaggy pixie cut with choppy fringe. A bold, youthful reset that elongates the neck, opens up facial features, and requires minimal daily styling. Medium shoulder shag with curtain bangs. The gold standard for everyday versatility, balancing proportions and adding playful fullness to shoulder-length cuts. Which number is your favorite so far? Let us know in the comments. Edgy feminine mullet shag. Perfect for confident women seeking a rocker chic aesthetic that lifts the temples and emphasizes facial contour. Wavy textured shag lob. Ideal for soft jawlines, this long bob shag creates structured volume while masking thinning ends effortlessly. Shaggy choppy bob with baby bangs. A playful artistic option that draws attention to the eyes and instantly erases years with bold geometry. Bouncy layered shag for mature women. Celebrates natural gray or silver tones, infusing energetic root lift and soft crown texture to defy gravity. Soft tapered shag with side-swept fringe. Great for heart-shaped faces, softly tapering at the collarbone while narrowing the forehead subtly. Shaggy Shullet hybrid cut. A modern crossover style offering maximum rebellious volume on top with delicate, wispy perimeter pieces. Voluminous coily shag with full fringe. Maximizes natural coil definition, elevating facial symmetry and bringing bouncy, radiant youthful energy. Which style number would you try? Tell us in the comments below. Messy Rockstar shag with Piecey layers. Provides effortless morning styling for busy women, hiding forehead lines with casual textured strands. Jaw-length shaggy French crop. Accentuates the jawline and jaw structure, offering an instant optical facelift for square or round face shapes. Long shag with face framing tendrils. Softens angular facial profiles, maintaining romantic length while eliminating stringy or flat textures. Textured shaggy bob with center part. Creates perfect balance for wide foreheads, giving short hairstyles a relaxed, ultra-modern French flair. Ultra-Choppy asymmetrical shag. A dynamic statement cut that shifts visual focus away from fine lines, adding daring youthful flair.
Airy feather de Midi shag.
Delivers weightless bounce and easy manageability, making it the ultimate rejuvenation cut for any lifestyle. Don't forget to drop your favorite haircut number in the comments.